Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about the differences between Google Workspace email versus CPanel email. Email is one of the most essential communication tools for any businesses, especially those that rely on fast, accurate, and continuous coordination, such as logistics, freight forwarding, and corporate operation. Two of the most commonly used email systems today are Google Workspace email and cPanel email. Although both allow you to send and receive messages using your own domain, they operate very different in terms of technology, performance, storage, reliability, and overall user experience. Understanding the differences between Google Workspace and cPanel email is important because each solution offers unique advantages and limitations. Choosing the right one can help improve communication efficiency, prevent email downtime, increase professionalism, and ensure that your business stays responsive at all times. Okay, and here you have to understand about these differences between Google Workspace email versus cPanel email because it is very important for you to know this. Okay, for the first step, I will give you explanation about the Google Workspace email in the left side. You can see in here I have written a summary for you about the Google Workspace email, professional email, cloud-based service, and high storage limits. Okay, I will give you more detail each of these. Starting from professional email. Google Workspace gives you a business-grade email experience using Gmail, but with your own domain. Example scenario. A company name, for example, Global Transfreight, creates business email such as info@globaltransfreight.com, sales@globaltransfreight.com, operations@globaltransfreight.com. When customers open the email, the sender name looks trusted. The interface is clean because it's Gmail. Emails rarely go to spam. You get professional features like smart compose, labels, powerful search, and mobile scenes. Okay, if you using email and this email is from Google Workspace, you will get many advantages and you rarely get a spam email from your sender. Why it matters? Clients feel more confident dealing with a business that uses a clean, reliable email system with a reputable infrastructure behind it. Okay, professional email. If you have email and your email is from Google Workspace email, your email looks professional email. Next, cloud-based service. Your email does not depend on your hosting server. It runs fully on Google's global cloud infrastructure. Your email is created by Google Global Cloud Infrastructure, and your email is responsive in everywhere location. Example scenario, your website hosting crashes for 2 hours due to overload or maintenance. With Google Workspace, email still works perfectly. You can continue sending invoices, replying to customer, or communicating with your team. Nothing is affected because email is not connected to your website hosting. Okay, cloud-based service. If you compare to hosting, maybe your hosting get problems, so it will impact to your email. And for example, it takes 2 hours and it makes you feel sad. But if you use email from Google Workspace email, you will not get this case like this. Real world result. Operations stay smooth even during downtime. This is extremely valuable for companies that cannot afford email disruption. Next, high storage limit. Google Workspace gives large storage based on your plan. Example scenario: you receive thousands of red documents such as bill of lading, packing lists, insurance documents, customs forms, customer purchase orders, quotation attachment. You will get all these documents with Google Workspace. You can use Business Starter starting from 30 GB per user, or you can use Business Standard 2 TB per user, or Business Plus 5 TB per user. Okay, high storage limit. This means you can store years of document. You don't need to delete all email. Your email rarely becomes full. Your operation continues smoothly without disruption because high storage limit 30 GB starting from 30 GB. Okay, next we go to CPanel email. You can see in here for CPanel email, basic email, server based service, and limited storage. You can see in here the comparison Google Workspace and CPanel email. Okay, go to basic email. CPanel email usually uses round cubes or heart, which are very simple. Example scenario: you log into your domain.com/webmail. The interface is limited, search is slow, spam filter is basic, attachment upload or download is slower. Email sometimes get flagged as spam because server reputation is weak. Okay, because you use CPanel email, you will get many disadvantage. For example, about the spam. If you are if you are a business handling frequent shipments and customer communication, CPanel email can slow down productivity. Okay, if you use this CPanel email, you will get a slow down productivity. Next, go to server based service. Your email depends entirely on your hosting server. Example scenario: your hosting server experiences CPU overload, disk full, malware, share hosting, neighbor causing slow performance, temporary server downtime. Okay, your hosting will get this scenario: CPU overload, disk full, malware, share hosting, neighbor causing slow performance, temporary server downtime. When this happens, the impact if Because of that, so your email stops working. You cannot send or receive messages. Email may bounce customer, meaning your company is unreachable. Okay, you will get many impact because of CPU overload, this full malware and extra. In freight forwarding, especially if you cannot send arrival notice, shipment ETA updates, custom document, your operations are disrupted. Next, go to limited storage. Your email storage share the same space as your website. Example, your hosting plan has 10 GB total. This 10 GB is used by website file, database, backup, all email accounts. If your team receives large attachment every day, storage fill up fast, email stops receiving new messages, sending email return an error code exceeded. Okay, I think enough for this explanation about the differences between Google Workspace email versus CPanel email. I hope you understand it. If you have any question about this, you can comment on below in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to your friends. See you next time and goodbye.